I'm going to show you how to make a keychain, a normal minifigure. Let's get to it. I'm going to be using these, and we're just going to rotate this around so that we can see this opening right here, where we can actually twist the metal open. This is pretty much like any normal keychain, but the tricky part here is that Lego plastic is very dainty and can break pretty easily. Okay, so we're going to use this to hold the metal in place so that we're not putting any stress on the Lego, just on the metal. And then using the needle nose pliers to get the other side. And then you're going to want to move this one right and then this one left. Make sure you got a good grip on both. You don't want to let go on accident and scratch the Lego.
A few moments later.
Okay, and there it is. So you can see it's opened up, and we can pull this right off, and then we can twist this right off. There you go. And luckily the hat of this guy covers it up. There's no need to even take this out. But I can make another video if you guys want to know how to heat this up and then pull it straight out. And kind of melts the metal around, or not around it, but inside of it. So it easily comes right out. But it doesn't mess up the face or the hat or anything, as long as you just heat up the metal and not the plastic. And that's how you make a keychain, a normal minifigure. This minifigure, when I got it, it did not have the right parts. So I'll be fixing that right now. There you go. Now he's armless, and we can put the right arms on there. So I'm going to be removing these arms, as he is supposed to have orange arms. Switch out the hands, of course. There we go. A normal minifigure, can't even tell it's actually a keychain.